guys, what's up? It's Ricky from Dance is Dope, and today we're doing 4 beginner house dance moves. Now, these 4 that we're going to do are up jack, heels, pas de bourrée, and shuffle. And these are some of the most important moves there is in house dance. You will see everybody do these. These are go-to house dance moves, and you need these in the locker. So, let's get straight into them. So, the first one is called an up jack. An up jack looks like this. Go from the side. So this is the house dancer's groove. Jacking in house is the biggest thing. You jack in every move you do, so you need a good jack. Yeah, so you're up jack. I'm going to move to the side. You want to face the side as well. That's fine, just so you can see it easier. So with this one, we split it into 3 sections. So you're going to drop down, you're going to come back, and then you're going to pop up. You want to pop on your toes. It's like a toe bounce. This is like a basic bounce in house. Yeah, so you want to drop down, so you're just bending your knees. You're going to bring your chest back. And then you're jacking it up with a little bounce to come up. So down, back, up, down, back, up. Now arms, you can do anything. Usually, I'll just switch one arm and the other. Yeah, so to the other side, you're coming down, back, up, down, back, up. Now make sure you keep these moves super loose. You want your body to just be real fluid and bouncing around. Yeah, so down, back, up, down, back, up. Down, back, up, down, back, up. Now make sure you're not body rolling. We're not body rolling up. That isn't what we're doing. It's not that type of dance. You're going down, back. So don't keep your body stiff, but don't be rolling it. Then toe bounce it up. So down, back, up. Yeah, so 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now if you feel weird or look kind of weird jacking, don't worry. Getting a good jack takes time. It's just getting your bounce and getting your style. As long as you're going down, back, up. Once you get loose, your jack will look good, I promise. Now, let's get straight into the next move. That's all your up jack is. Nice and easy. Next move is heels. So there's lots of different heels and variations. The basic heels we're going to do today look like this. So if we take them heels away, we're technically doing an up jack. And we're just putting them heels in. Yeah, so all you're doing, just your legs. Let's not worry about the jack first. What you're going to do with your heels, you're going to bring one heel out with your chest to come forward. So it's your jack when you come forward. And you bring that foot in, your chest is coming back. And you bring the other heel out, chest comes forwards, and bring it in, chest comes back. So heel, in, heel, in, heel, in, heel, in. Again, with your arms, you can do anything. I usually just switch one arm then the other. Not too rigid, just let your arms flow. Heel, in, heel, in, heel, in, heel, in, heel, in, heel, in. Yeah, so with no jack, it would be this. So that's why I put that jack in. Bend your knees a little more, get that bounce. So heel, your chest coming forward, step it in, chest comes back. Heel, chest comes forward, step it in, chest back. So heel, heel, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, so we've got our up jack, down, back, up, down, back, up, down, back, up, down, back, up. And our heels, heel, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what we're going to do, let's just do them 2 with the music first before we move on to our next 2. So we're going to go our up jack, we'll go 2 slow, then we'll go 4 quick. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then same with heels, we'll go 4 slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 8 quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah? So we'll go that with a beat. Yeah? Let's do it. So we're going to go 2 slow up jacks. We're going to go 4 quick. We're going to go 4 slow heels. 8 quick. I'll count us in. 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 slow. 4 quick. Now heels, slow. 1, 2, 3. Speed them up. Nice. Let's do that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Slow up jack. 4 quick. And heels slow. And 8 quick. So we've done our up jack, we've done our heels, so now we're going to get onto pas de bourrée and shuffle. Two of my favorite house dance moves, yeah? So, pas de bourrée looks like this. Nothing too crazy, but it's got a little technical aspect to it and a nice bounce, yeah? So your pas de bourrée, what we're gonna do is you're gonna bring, I'm gonna start with my right leg coming behind. So you're gonna step your foot behind, you're gonna step your other foot out, and then I'm gonna bring that right foot in front. So again, so if I'm starting with right foot, I'm gonna step right behind, I'm gonna step the left foot out to the side, then right foot in front. Don't worry about jacking or bouncing yet, let's just get that basic step. So one more that side, so we step one foot behind, the other foot out to the side, and the other foot in front. Then we're going to bring this leg, so let's go back to base position. I don't want to confuse you. So we go left leg now, bringing this one behind, bringing the other leg out to the side, and bringing my left leg in front. So my starting leg comes back in front, yeah? Nice, one more time. So we come behind, side, and in front. Yes. Now let's go one side into the other. So it's just on a 1, 2, 3. A lot of house dance moves are on the 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 on that bounce pace, yeah? So start with my right foot. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3. And then to the other side. 1, 2, 3. Back to the other side. 1, 2, 3. On the other side. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so nice and easy, nothing too crazy. Let's go one more with them each. So we come behind, side, front. Then the other side, we come behind, to the side, and to the front. Okay, now within this one, you want a nice bounce, you want a nice jack. I usually hit my jack and count 2 or 3. Most of them count 3 on that step forwards. So I'll come behind, 1, step out to the side, 2, and I'll lean back a little. Then when I step forwards on 3, bring that chest forwards, and that's where you get that jack bounce. Same on the other side. You come behind 1, step it out 2, bring that chest back, and then 3, step it forwards, and get that bounce. One more on each side, nice and slow. We go behind 1, to the side 2, bring that chest back, 3, bounce it forwards. And the other side, we come behind, to the side, bring your chest back, and forwards. Okay, so your timing for this one looks like this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so let's try that. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Same with this one, your arms can do anything. In house, just let them flow. Yeah, one more time of each. So we go 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now your music speed for this one is usually 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So keep them feet nice and light and loose. Make sure you're picking them up. You don't want to drag your feet. And just keep on that pace. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah? There's your pas de bourrée. So now let's get into the shuffle, and we'll do it all with the music. So a shuffle, just a basic shuffle. There's lots of different ones, but I'll teach you this basic one. It looks like this. As you can hear from my feet, it's also on the 1, 2, 3, yeah? So we're going to do this one with no jumps first, and then we'll add in the jumps and we'll add in the bounce to it, yeah? So what you're going to do, I'm going to start with my right leg. You're going to kick your foot out. Now you're going to step onto that foot and bring your other foot out with a little kick. And then this foot that's out, you're just going to bring it behind, kick it behind. Make sure it's far enough behind that you can see it. So let's do that again. So we go kick, switch to the other leg, kick, and kick that leg behind. One more. So we go 1, 2, 3. Yes. Now the other side. So I'm going to start this one with my left leg. I'm going to kick left leg out. 1. I'm going to switch. So I'm going to step on it, kick the other leg 2, then bring it behind. 3. So again, we kick 1, 2, 3. Yes. So now let's add a jump in. So nothing changes. We're just hopping it. So we're going to kick this leg out. Add a little jump. 1. Then we're going to jump onto this leg. 2. Kicking that leg out. Then we're going to hop on this right foot again. If this leg comes behind. For 3. So let's do that again. So we go 1, 2, 3. Yes. One more. 1, 2, 3. And now the other side. So start with my left leg this time. So we're going to hop it and kick. 1, 2, 3. And again. 1, 2, 3. Nice. Now we're going to go one side into the other. Let's do 4 shuffles. Nice and slow. So we go 1, 2, 3. Now from here, you're just going to hop and kick this back leg out to start your next shuffle. 1, 2, 3. Then the other side. 1, 2, 3. And the other side. 1, 2, 3. There we go. So this one as well is on the 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 pace. So your timing for this is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So make sure you keep it light. Big pointer. Make sure that foot always comes behind. Otherwise it's here. It's not a full move. It's not a full shuffle. You want to kick it right behind. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Shoot it behind. Yeah? Okay, so let's run through all the moves real quick. And we're going to put them with a beat. So our first move, our up jack, was 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Down, back, up. Down, back, up. Heels, slow. Was heel, 2, 3, 4. You speed it up. 1, 2, 3, 4. So make sure you got that jack. Your chest coming forwards when you heel. Part of BOURREE was behind, side, front. Behind, side, front. So a little bit quicker. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Then shuffle. Straight from that part of BOURREE, you'll just kick that leg out. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So a little quicker. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah? Awesome. So let's go with the music. We'll go 1 round of just doing all the moves slow with the beat. And we'll go 2 rounds of just doing the moves quick. We'll fire them out, yeah? Let's go. Okay, so for this one, we'll go nice and slow first. We'll do 4 slow up jacks, 4 slow heels, 2 slow pas de bres, 2 slow shuffles. Then we're going to go 2 times round quick. So we'll do 4 up jacks quick. We'll do 8 heels quick. We'll do 4 pas de bres quick, 4 shuffles quick, and then we'll go again, yeah? So let's fire it out with the beat. Let's go. Okay, so we'll go 1 slow first, and then 2 times round quick, yeah? I'll count us in. 5, 6, 7, slow. So make these up jacks big. Put that technique because we're going slow. Now slow heels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And our pas de bres. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Nice. So make sure you got that bounce. And now shuffle slow. Appreciate you guys and get all the way to the end of this. If you enjoyed this one, check out the other styles. I've got breaking, house, hip hop, light feet, lock-in. I do pretty much every style there is, so check out them ones if you want to learn a little bit more. As always, hit that like button and smash the subscribe button if you got all the way to the end. I do appreciate it, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.